when I read this book from library, then I bought one of this book. Then I found out Kampung Senang. So about I think 13-15 years ago lah, I went twice. I cannot get Kampung Senang. I thought it's a Malay kampung. I go around, there is no Malay kampung. So after the third day, that time I come, I ask from the what they call it, petrol station there. No more. So the petrol station young man say, Encik, Kampung Senang, there is no Malay kampung here, but there is one at the housing board stated there Kampung Senang. So I came down, I went in and I saw, I asked, can I meet Joyce? It was a big video. Can I see Joyce? No, I'm Joyce. They think Joyce is still young. Correct, huh? So I told Joyce about my cancer and so on. So Joyce accepted me as a member of the Kampung Senang. So I learned a lot from Kampung Senang, you know, about my cancer was from Kampung Senang. This book will lead me to Kampung Senang. So I learned a lot of the cancer from Kampung Senang. So I what they call it, change my lifestyle. I don't eat meat. I do my own natural food, you know, vegetable. It's from Kampung Senang. So I always attend Kampung Senang only at least 2-3 times that time. Only lately during the COVID I don't attend there. So I'm very grateful that Joyce arranged from the vegetable and the ABC sent to my house. You know. Because lately my mind is not so good. I'm not travel alone, I'm not get lost. I'm now 83 really because of the hobby, you know. So my mental is not so good. But last time, yeah, I like to so that's a book.
Tell me what happened when you had a stroke at 58 and then you were being treated by a very handsome Indian Bollywood
he's an Indian, he's a professor. He's a professor, see. So in 1996, I was in medical. So it's been taken care by the two professors. One is Benny Chen, one is Professor Suri. Both of them are professor, take care of me. So my boss is a Chinese Baba, Stanley Tani passed away about 4 years ago. He's very nice. He put me in special class. So after 1 month, I managed to walk about, no? So I go to the office, you know. So after that, Professor Suri put me into what we call the clinic in English. So after a few months, he transferred me to a Chinese doctor, a young doctor. So one day I was with a young doctor sitting, Professor Suri with the speak like that, you know. He's a professor. So I said, hello, Professor, how are you? I'm okay. How about you, Rahman? I'm recovering well, is it? From my stroke. So after I finished everything, I asked 3 nurses. The nurse going to tell me about this professor, you know, this thing. So there is one Malay nurse told me, Uncle, don't tell anybody, you know. Professor Suri got what they call it, blood.
leukemia.
Leukemia.
How old was he? He said very
50
handsome.
plus, very young. Handsome man. He's a handsome professor.
I think
But
he was
after,
late 40s, I'm not
after less than 1 year, he passed away. Professor passed away.
So that he didn't trust doctors anymore.
Yeah, so
that's
in
why
fact,
when he had
Professor-
cancer, he didn't want to go to
So Professor, you can see he knows everybody in MBH, you know. What sickness he can cure, correct? But he passed away. So in the newspaper come out, Professor Suri, I feel very sad about him. He's a nice man, and a young man, handsome someone, you know. I thought he go back to India, he can become a film star. I told everybody, but he passed away. So after that, I go down to the doctor, no, go down. But see, how can doctor or professor can die so young? Why myself, I got heart. I was in very young. I was in what you call the hospital at the age of 22. What do you call it? Christian school. Christian
Mount
hospital.
Alvernia.
Huh?
Mount
Mount
Alvernia.
Alvernia. Yeah, Mount Alvernia.
So
That one is under specialist LOPC technique. Yeah. I was there for 32 days. It's a Christian hospital. I was there. Because last time I smoked and drink.
Yeah.
I eat everywhere outside. I mean, my lifestyle is no good lah. I should say lah. When I come back to office, my boss said, "Rahman, stop smoking and drinking." So you don't smoke and drinking, And then I cut down my outside food. I do it outside. Up to now, I do it outside. I take a lot of vegetables and fruit and simple food. And then now, for this, since the COVID, I follow the Chinese. I eat what do you call it? Orange lah. Orange, put what do you call it? Mixed vegetable orange.
Actually, Malays who have porridge.
No, Malay don't eat porridge.
Huh?
Malay don't eat porridge. The Chinese eat porridge. No, I learned from the Chinese. I eat porridge, but my porridge for mixed vegetable. I want all mixed vegetable. I don't take meat.
Yeah, but Rahman, profession was a draftsman, which is indoor. But at what age you decided you were very happy, you got a job as a kupun in the school?
Yeah. Oh, they were in the pool already. I'm retired at the 60th Century Plaza. Yeah. So I said, how can I stay at home? So I become a cleaner in the school. Before school, I become a board, no? But I told the boss, I want to be a cleaner outside. Because why? In the morning, sunlight is vitamin D. So I tell everybody, I get a free vitamin D. God give me. Sunlight in the morning is vitamin D, free, So I take from my bone everything, vitamin D free. So whenever I work in the school cleaner, I must be cleaner outside. So morning I will have 1 or 2 hours in the hot sun cleaning. Like that lah. Yeah. So I think that very good lah. In fact, I take all our natural thing up to now, you see. And I believe God has bring down the earth. All we are two types. The plant, the everything, what everything, vegetable and so on. One is good for you all, one is not good. Yeah. Certain thing is poison, very but mostly are good, So I believe on this, God has bring down everything. So even when I was a boy, I believe that at the age of I think 12 or something there, in the morning I will walk at the morning sun on the grass with the dew. I walk. I believe in that, or somebody talking, I cannot remember. That is morning dew in the warm sun. That is something good for your health.
But I'm not sure if your age old, whether that one I dare not walk already.
Oh, is it?
Because it's too heavy. Yeah.
But the morning one, the morning dew with the warm sun, I mean the morning sun. Yeah. That dew is good.
Thank you. Yeah.
That's good. It's God bring down, natural. Everything I look to the natural thing.
Yes. And Pak Rahman has also been to the mini Hajj.
Yeah. Okay. 1996. Because I do not go to Hajj for 1 month. So 1994, I went to, it's not Hajj, I went to Mecca, Medina, Jordan. From Jordan, I take a bus to where?
Jerusalem.
Jerusalem. Yeah. Another few days, another less week is a Christmas, It's a beautiful place, At that time, when I was young, I mixed around with most of them, my friend are what they call it, Christian, Catholic. Most of my friends are Catholic, especially the Unitian, are all Catholic, So I went to But from far I see the Jew looking at the world. But I don't go there, no. But I visit the church. It's an Orthodox church wearing black. So 40 of us go to there, but we stay there for 3 days, no. We are arranging for the Christmas, for very beautiful, no. So I went to the church about with my daughter and my wife all about 5 people. I asked from the Orthodox church, can I visit the tomb of Jesus Christ? I'm a Muslim, but enter the church, you know. I asked for, so the what they call it, the Orthodox police of England, the brother who go down there, but it's my mistake. It is a tomb of Jesus Christ. With my older day, it's a feeling what they call it, I did 5 or 6 times plan. I kind of better from there to Singapore or because I want to show to my best friend or Muslim Catholic friend with this, I encourage you to go there, visit this church. Because they are Christian, it's plan. So I think start like that because I don't take permission from Jesus Christ.
Oh, I see.
Jesus Christ is our, we call it Nabi Musa. It's in the Quran, you see. If I don't believe Jesus Christ, I'm not a Muslim. So I don't take permission to take a believe from Jesus Christ. That's why they're feeling blind. Other place, okay, but the truth of Jesus Christ is in the church. It's Orthodox church. Somewhere in Jerusalem. Yeah, this is the thing.
Thank you so much for your sharing.
So I